Working in this place has helped me build amazing relationships. I mean, special shout out to my co-hosts, Ayo and Benga. The beautiful thing is we got to win awards together on this platform as TV Presenter of the Year for Exquisite Ladies of the Year 2016. We also won the Teen Role Model Award 2016 for TV Presenter of the Year. I think the saving grace is that I enjoy what I do. I enjoy my job. I left my career as a lawyer to come and do this. So this is something after my heart. So I would say that there are days when we don't feel like working, just keep a straight face. And then you're 3, 2, and you're like, hello, welcome to Hello Nigeria. You try to bring out the drama. And then when you go on the commercial break again, you're like, and knowing that some people are going to be watching, that you are viewers, you're going to be watching. That gives me the drive to keep on presenting even when I'm not in the mood. With much joy in my heart, I am delighted to say very, very happy birthday to Wazobia TV. Many more amazing things. I can't wait to see how far we'll get in life because we'll go really, really far. Mwah.